Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today I'm going to show you how to cook this super easy Chinese style scrambled eggs. So let's start cooking. Let's prepare the eggs first before we cook them. I have with me over here 5 pieces of eggs, a few dashes of pepper, cut pepper, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of concentrated chicken stock. If you do not have concentrated chicken stock, you can use chicken stock powder, 2 teaspoons of Chinese cooking wine. If you do not take alcohol, you can actually omit this. Mix them up well. Now we'll add in 100 grams of Chinese cabbage, cut thinly like this. Put them all in. Add in also 3 stems of spring onion, using only the green parts. Cut thinly like this too. And just put them in. Now we'll mix them all up. And we'll prepare to go and fry them now. Heat up a pan. Add in a suitable amount of oil. We'll swirl the oil around. I'm using the Shogun by Gourmet non-stick pan. This is one of my favorite pans to use. Now the heat that I'm using over here is medium to medium low because I don't want to char my eggs too much. So now we just pour everything in. We'll slowly cook this. Now this scrambled egg will be juicy because of the Chinese cabbage. Depending on how charred you want the eggs to be, you can rest them longer, or you can actually start to move them around and start frying them now. Like this. Alright, we don't want our eggs to be too charred, that's why I'm just starting to stir them in. So I'm using medium heat right now. If you don't want it too charred, you can start moving your eggs around because we want to scramble the eggs. Now the important thing is don't overcook your eggs. You want it to be juicy, but it has to be cooked. Normally, when I do omelets or when I do scrambled egg, I'll cook them until they are about 90% done, and then I'll dish them out because the heat will actually cook the rest of the egg. Remove them from the pan. The eggs are almost done. I will now remove them from the pan and serve them. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Smells really good. The crunch from the vegetables, this is really nice. Goes extremely well with either rice or porridge. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.